Good morning, students. So, today we are going to start the lesson The Secret Garden, taken from Francis Oxon Burnett's book. The Secret Garden is a story of 10 years old girl, Mary Lennox, who was born in India. Sadly, her parents died, and her uncle brought her to Yorkshire in England. Living there in her uncle's large house, she heard stories of secret garden surrounded by walls, which was locked for the last 10 years and where nobody can enter. One of the Mary's friend is a pet robin. Robin is a bird belonging to the garden. That bird, Robin, was friend of Mary. One day, the robin helped Mary to find the key to the lock and enter the secret garden. So let us see what happened and how Mary find this key of secret garden. Let's start the story. Mary heard a chirp and twitter, and when she looked at the bare flower bed at her left side, there was a robin hopping about. Now, chirp is the sound of a bird, robin, who was making the sound. And when she looked at a bare flower bed means a piece of land where there is no plant or flower, anything. That was to the left side. And to the left side was a robin, a bird hopping there. Then Mary said, "You do remember me? You do? You are prettier than anything else in the world." These wording was said by Mary to Robin. Then, listening to these words, the robin allowed her to draw closer and closer to him and bend down and talk and try to make something like robin sounds. As the robin hopped about, she saw him hop over a small pile of freshly turned up earth. Turned up Turned up earth is dug up ground. He stopped on it to look for a worm. Now bird need a worm to eat. So it stopped there and started looking for a worm. The earth had been dug up by a dog who had made quite a deep hole. The hole was deep and it was dug by a dog. Mary looked at it and saw something buried in the soil. Now, what was buried there? It was something like a ring of rusty iron or brass, something rusty. And when the robin flew up into a tree nearby, she put out her hand and picked the ring up. Now, that ring, what was that? It was an old key which looked as if it had been buried a long time. By looking at that key, it seems like that it is buried from a long time. Mary stood up and looked at it, and with almost frightened face as it hung from her hand. Looking to the key, she was some little bit frightened that which key is this about? Which type of key? Perhaps it has been buried for 10 years. That key was buried there for 10 years. And slowly she said, "Perhaps it is the key to the garden." She was thinking that maybe it's the key to the garden which is locked from 10 years. She looked at the key for a long time. She thought that if it was the key to the closed garden, then and she could find out where the door was. She could open it and see what is inside the walls. So she put the key in her pocket and went back. The next day, Mary started playing with the skipping rope and skipped around all the garden. Then she stopped to rest for a while after skipping. And there was a robin, a bird. Again, it was there, swaying on a long branch of ivy. Now, ivy is a plant which is like a climbing plant, you can say. So, the robin was there. He had followed her. Robin, followed Mary, and he greeted her with a chirp, means with a sound. You showed me where the key was yesterday, Mary said. She is Mary. She said to Robin that you showed me that near that ground that there is something. So she found the key there. Show me the door today. Now, Mary, intelligent girl, she now starting asking to Robin that today you help me to show the door of the garden. But I don't believe you know. Now again she is telling to Robin that checking Robin that whether Robin will show the way to her or no. So she told that I don't believe you know. The robin flew from his swinging spray of ivy on the top of the wall. Now this spray is branch. Ivy I told you that is a climbing plant. From that branch the robin flew on the top of the wall of garden, and he opened his beak and sang a loud, lovely thrill. Thrill is a song with a high voice, vibrating, something vibrating note is there in that voice.